Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will help you address a refrigerator that does not fit under a cabinet. First, carefully measure your refrigerator's total height, including any top hinges or leveling feet. Then, measure the available space from the floor to the bottom of your upper cabinet. This precise comparison will reveal the exact height discrepancy, which is crucial for finding the right solution. Understanding this difference is the first step to a perfect fit. Sometimes, simple adjustments can solve the problem. Many refrigerators have adjustable leveling feet that can be lowered, potentially gaining up to 1 inch of crucial clearance. You might also be able to remove a decorative top hinge cover or even the hinge itself if it's the primary obstruction. For a few extra millimeters, carefully trimming a small piece of cabinet molding or the cabinet base might be an option. If minor adjustments aren't enough, cabinet modifications might be necessary. You could potentially raise the upper cabinet by 1 or 2 inches, creating more vertical space. For depth issues, cutting out a section of the cabinet floor or the back panel can provide additional room. Always consult a professional carpenter for these types of alterations to ensure structural integrity and a clean finish. Safety and precision are key here. If all other options are exhausted, consider a new appliance. Counter depth or built-in refrigerators are specifically designed to fit flush with cabinetry, typically around 24 inches deep. Another option is to relocate your current refrigerator to a different area of the kitchen that lacks overhead cabinets. Remember, always measure your space 3 times before purchasing any new appliance to avoid future fitting challenges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.